Okay, we're recording. Okay, so I glued the top on. Try and peel this up without removing everything. Okay, that's good. Look at this cute little piano. Okay, so I believe there's one more step with this guy. You take the gold pen and you draw a ridge and a little, like, plate, brand plate. And there it is there too. So, gold pen. What do I have to draw on? Let's get this started. Okay. It's awfully yellow. Oh, we'll see. And it looked like it was just along up here, so I don't know if I'm drawing on this angled part. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, wish me luck. This is not... Okay, let me set this down. Say hello to the neighbor's doggies. I don't know about you guys, but I personally love that my neighbor's dogs are noisy. Because that means if anybody were coming around interested in, I don't know, messing with things, checking out back doors, any of that sort of thing, those dogs would deter it, and I love that. So I am forever thankful that the dogs next door are noisy. It doesn't look as vibrant as in the picture. They look like they used a paint pen, and I may have a paint pen. Maybe I have a white one, and I could put the white on there and then put the gold over the top of it. I might have some gold paint too, but you get it in the right light and you can see it. And then a little, I'm pretty sure it's up here. Yeah. Okay. Good enough. How's that? Not bad, right? That'll do. Okay, so that guy's done. Put the lid back on. I was futzing around with the legs and popped them off on accident. But the one leg that was too short, I cut off a piece of this and glued it right there underneath so you can't see it. So it at least sits flat. It's not pretty. See, you can see how it's kind of derpy, but it at least sits flat. It's not like angled as badly. So there's that. That's good. All done. So I unclipped the side. This side was glued when I was videoing, and I unclipped it after I squished all the parts inside the other side. So this is basically done, and it was kind of hard to get all those pieces in there, and I was afraid I was going to tear the fabric the whole time with the tweezers. So no recommendations on that. Just be careful, I guess. I'm gonna leave it for a little bit, I guess, and I'll cut off these. I'll just do it now. Where's my... Those are not the fabric scissors. These are the fabric scissors. But there really wasn't enough fabric left, so I would say cut it bigger than it says to cut it, personally. Because once you stuff all this stuff in here, it pulls it a little further. Good enough. I might futz with that later. And ta-da! I think there's some glue on the top here. Boo. Oh well, I'll deal with that later. Also, okay, move some of this stuff out and throw these pieces away. Next page, dining table. Okay, so we need B17. That's all A's. I should mark some of these off that I used them. Okay, so those are all A's. That's just one-sided and it's C's. B13. Is that what it said? 17. B17. Okay. So I'll find the corresponding, not this one. These are all the B's, and I previously wrote on them. I thought that might help me out. Is that the only piece I need? And wire. B17 and wire. Okay. So this is what I was talking about on a previous video as far as sanding. Where'd my piece of sandpaper go? There it is. So I was using it for that sort of thing, just getting a little bit of the connection parts off. That's better. Okay. Light grainy paper. That's dark. I think I might try and use some of these, like I have pieces that were previously cut on. 37 by 37 millimeters. And thick black wire from bag 4. One of the things I did is I took the bags and I put them in some plastic containers I had. This is like a Hello Kitty bento box that doesn't work so well. That's not wire. I assume it's this one. These are the rest of our choices. This is like a foam, and it's hollow. This is the brown coppery wire that I used on the front of the bar, and I think the handle to that little cabinet. Yeah, those were that brown wire. And this is like a green floral wire looking thing, and some yellow and white wires, and some white wire. So I'm going to guess it is this one. Bag 4, thick black wire, 340 millimeters. I always want to say milliliters. Working in millimeters as an American, I really wish that, the United States would adopt the same measurements as the rest of the world. So annoying. Like, I don't mind learning over again. I saw a funny TikTok about it where somebody was pretending they were all the countries. Okay, so we agree. And then the US says, but I like feet. Whatever. This is much longer than 340 millimeters, but I assume that's what they want me to cut. So I need 4 15-millimeter pieces and 4 48-millimeter pieces and 1 88-millimeter piece, and then it's going to be bent in these ways. Move the glue page out of the way. Let me see what my husband was saying on nothing urgent. So 15. I guess I could use the pen thing again. Well, anyway, I'm going to cut all those pieces and come back because I don't want to fill up my phone like I was. We're at about 12 minutes. So tune in next time and I should have all the pieces together for gluing, or maybe past.